right? This one, left. Okay, when you dribble, look. Dribble, last, left, open. So I want you to open when you cross. Look, this foot. No spacing. Not this one, okay? Let's go. Yeah. 16, you're gonna go to the left. Space, space, balance. Last, open. Nice, nice. Let's go. Last one, last one. Inhale, exhale. Balance. Spacing, right? You're safe. Get your movement that you get. Wide new shots, okay? Let's go. Right, wide, double first, and space. Money. Right, that's one. Got it? Inhale, exhale, space. Plus. Money. Good, that's one. One more. Go. Space. Plan. Space. What do we? No. Ring. Swipe. Plan. Give up. Okay, that's a good one, right? But when you throw, when you take the ball, balance and then wide. Look. Wide. Bring your defender and then swipe. And in this right foot, balance. Let's go. Ring, go. Plan. See that? Put a wing. See that? Spacing, last one. Make good spacing. Let's go.